Hello, I'm Mitsuyuki. This time, we'll introduce KIZAKI-trout called KIZAKI-MASU in Japanese, which is an endemic trout that lives in Lake Kizaki in Omachi City, Nagano-ken, Japan. Lake Kizaki is a highland natural lake located about 3 hours by car from Tokyo on the highway. By the way, this is a city famous for its clean spring water, especially where rice and soba are delicious. This Kizaki lake has a Kizaki-trout that lives only here in Japan. Kizaki-trout is a cross between BIWA-Trout, which is endemic to Lake Biwa in Japan, and Steelhead, SAKURAMASU in Japanese. Of course, it is very delicious to eat, so it is popular with anglers. This is a video recording the KIZAKI-trout caught in smallmouth bass fishing.マスだ。よしよし。よいしょ。ほら。うわ。うわ、キザキマス、キザキマス来ました。はい、これは持って帰っていただきます。Take it home and eat KIZAKI-trout as grilled salt. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video.